Hello, 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 everybody, and welcome to Pronunciation Lesson. My name is Eric, and today we're going to study some of the O sounds. So let's go. Yes, the famous O sounds that are so many. My students over the years have always asked me, Eric, are there any spelling rules that can help me to learn English pronunciation better? Unfortunately, there seem to be more exceptions than rules. Even native speakers have a lot of difficulty spelling. Spelling in English works as well as a screen door on a submarine. You've got something there, but something is always going wrong. Something is always penetrating. So it doesn't work that well most of the time. It has a lot to do with different languages, which mixed with English, and also spelling rules, trying to preserve Old English even up until today. For example, we have the word doubt. That's an OU sound. Doubt comes from a combination of words, dubitare, which is Latin, and dote, which is French. So when you put them together, dubitare and dote, you have doubt. So the new ones we're going to listen to are book, could, would, should. Next, ah sound. When you go to the doctor and he asks you to stick out your tongue and to say ah. For example, problem. As you can see, problem. Well, we have a shorter variation of that, and that's ah. So it's basically the same as ah, but it's a little shorter. Ah. You want to cut it halfway. Ah. So let's take an example. You could say tough. Ah. You don't say tough. You say tough. So you can compare the two sounds there, for example. Let's see. Thought and thought, and tough and tough. That's also an ah sound, but it's a little shorter. My last O sound for today is ew. When you see something that is disgusting, something that is repugnant, many times in English we say, ew. Oh, that's disgusting. Ew. Smooth. Smooth is an example. Let's sing a song to practice your pronunciation. Ooh. Ah. Ew. Ooh. Ah. Ew. One more time. Ooh. Ah. Ew. Very good. Well done. You can give yourself a pat on the back for that one. So let's try some basic to intermediate practice on the count of 1, 2, 3, 4. Luke, Luke, Luke. Luck, luck, luck. Look, look, look. Luke, Luke, Luke. Luck, luck, luck. Look, look, look. Very good. Well done. You can give yourself a pat on the back for that one. Now, for all of you students who are more advanced, let's try something more challenging. Now, to do this next advanced exercise, let's change the tempo. On the count of 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey Luke, did you have any luck with that lock? Hey Luke, did you have any luck with that lock? One more time. Hey Luke, did you have any luck with that lock? Hey Luke, did you have any luck with that lock? Good job. So repeat after me. Though, grow, no, soap. Once again. Though, grow, no, soap. Contrast that with through, grew, new, soup. Very good. We're doing some excellent work here. Keep it up, and you can give yourself that pat on the back. Try these sounds. This is the ah sound. Thought, taught, bought. Great, good work. We just have one more. Cunning, conning, cunning, conning. Now let's test your pronunciation. Did you take a blank? What a blank. She doesn't know what blank means. Blank, I thought you'd blank some already. Finally, I thought the test wasn't that blank blank. Well done. If you would like the answers to the test, please visit my conversation club.